NFPA 72 has requirements for class of circuits to be installed in enclosed raceways. Section 23.31 states that class of circuits shall be installed in enclosed raceways. Class of circuits are designed to provide reliable operation of fire alarm and notification systems during a fire or other emergency. They are typically used for smoke and heat detectors, manual pull stations, and notification appliances such as horns and strobes. The requirement for enclosed raceways is intended to protect the circuit from damage caused by heat, smoke, or flames. Conduit provides physical protection for the wires, preventing them from being cut or damaged during a fire. Conduit maintains the integrity of the circuit by preventing wires from shorting together or being compromised by external factors. NFPA 72 is the recognized standard for fire alarm and notification systems, and its requirements must be met for code compliance. There is an exception to the enclosed raceway requirement for class of circuits in free air wire installations. However, this exception is only applicable under certain conditions. Firstly, the wires must be installed in a concealed or otherwise protected area that is unlikely to be exposed to physical damage or fire. Secondly, the wires must be protected by overcurrent devices, such as fuses or circuit breakers, that will prevent excessive heating or insulation damage. It is important to note that the exception for free air wire installations is not common practice and requires careful consideration and designed to ensure the reliability and safety of the circuit. In general, it is strongly recommended that all class of circuits be installed in enclosed raceways, such as EMT, to ensure optimal survivability and circuit integrity during a fire event.